Okay.
Guess what we're not doing anymore? These old folks ain't doing it anymore.
What are we not doing?
We're not tent camping anymore.
What?
Show them what we're doing.
What? No,
no more.
No more? No more tent camping.
For old folks, no more.
Why not?
Too hot.
Oh, this is why. Yeah, this is why. Okay, now I get it. Yep, nope, no more tent camping for us, baby. And no more wet beds and air mattresses that go flat. Not no more. We ain't doing it. We went up and got us a 2022 HELIO. Yep, HELIO. You see that or not? HELIO. It's a HELIO H3S. It's not the plus, it's the S. And I will do a little video on this thing, but I want to do just a little walk around right now on it. And I'll get a little more in depth on it here as we go along. Today is December 3rd, and we just wanted to get out here and show y'all what we're doing and what we're not doing no more. Is that right?
74 degrees today.
Amen to that. Can't beat that. 74 degrees on December 3rd of 2021, baby. But that's her. The HELIO H3S. HE3S. And I'll do a little more description on this thing as we go, as time goes on. Probably you won't see it again until spring, because this is the last nice day we're going to have for a while. But I finally got all the brake lights and all the wiring around, got the hitch done. Of course, that's why I did the stage 2 on the bike, which because I knew I was going to eventually do this right here. So on that note, we're going to end it. We'll talk to y'all later. Merry Christmas to everybody. What do you say, Brenda?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
This is our Christmas for what, 10 years?
20.
20 years? The next 20 years? Okay. Well, Merry freaking Christmas to us then. All right, we're out of here. Later, y'all. Hope you're out there. You're having, at least getting a chance to ride. Peace.